All right, so share some of, I guess, your goals, hopes, and expectations for this coming year.
For us to win, hopefully win the Big East title, and just compete. We have a lot of new guys this year, a bunch of freshmen, a lot of experienced guys also. So it'll be an exciting year.
How has your game evolved from day one to this point in time currently?
I think the biggest thing for me was conditioning myself for 40 minutes. I think my game has developed really well over the years. Shooting the ball, defending the ball as well, and with the team that we have, I think it all kind of is meshing together. The experience with the guys, and just getting to know everybody else's skill set. I think it helps me a lot.
With the younger guys, if they asked you for advice, or if they came up to you about asking about life at Georgetown, what advice would you give to them?
I mean, the one thing that I would probably say is just to be consistent with your work. I think in the off season, a lot of times guys get comfortable, and that's their break time, or the time of the year off. But at the same time, that's a time where you work on things that you may lack in the area of the game. I think that's one thing that I took very seriously this off season and in the past off season. So that's probably the one thing I would tell them.
Speaking of off season for yourself personally, was there anything in particular that you worked on, like either adding an element to your game or just perfecting what you've been doing to begin with?
I mean, for the most part, just my intensity on the court. A lot of times I can be very, just kind of smooth out there, not really, too amped up or too energetic. But I think, the energy is a huge key for me in order to, take my game to that next level.
Now, how do you think you and the team could take your game to the next level with the upcoming year?
I think, building experience. I mean, like I said, we have a lot of freshmen. We have a lot of veterans also. So I think, if we can incorporate that, that bond and, kind of mesh it all together, I think a mixture of talent and a mixture of, aggression, I think we all could, make the best of it.
And any message to the fans at home to come on out and watch you guys play?
Miss you, Hoya fans, and expect big things from us this year.
Thank you very much. Some of your goals, hopes, and expectations for the year?
This year, one of our goals is just not to look past anybody, to respect everybody that we play, and every time we go to practice, no matter what we're doing basketball related, just trying to get better. I mean, last year was a learning experience just because we had a lot of expectations and a lot of things that didn't fall our way.
What do you think is the biggest difference?
This year we just got to, we have good guys, like mature guys, the seniors coming back and freshmen. We just got to gel together.
Now, with the newer guys, I guess is there any way to help them along the way to, get them more acclimated to the school and everything?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, the guys, they've been here since the summer, and they've been acclimated a little bit. But just when the games and the travel goes on, I mean, I can just shed some light because it's my 4th year doing it, so I can tell them, hey, go to the Bahamas or go to Madison Square Garden and play in the end, and just kind of say, hey, I mean, these guys have all played in big games before, but I feel like this should be good.
How has your game evolved, I guess, from day one to this point in time now?
This offseason, I was just trying to work on stuff that I didn't do well before. I was academically ineligible, and I was rebounding, playing defense, trying to just play harder. And I mean, that's just my thing now. It's one of my goals is to play as hard as I can and try to rebound and play defense better. Because I know if I can rebound and play defense better, I'll be on the court longer and I'll
like community oriented.
How do you take all the experiences that you've had and help to lead the team to hopefully having a successful year this year?
Well, I mean, it starts with Jabril, myself, and Mikal. I mean, we're the senior leaders. We're the guys who played the most, who've seen a lot, and just kind of just keep everybody, keep everybody afloat, and just let them know that we here. That any of the young guys have questions, they can come to us, and ask questions. But we got to set the tone, so lead by example.
All right. So share some of your goals, hopes, and expectations for the 2014-15 season.
Well, we definitely want to do way better than we did last year. I think last year was tough for us. A lot of people know we had a lot of different things going on, a lot of roadblocks. But I mean, this year we got a fresh start. We got a great freshman class, and we got a lot of veterans. So we got high expectations. And I mean, going to Georgetown, you always have high expectations of winning. That's what we want to do. So we want to win big this year. That's what we want to do.
What does it mean for you to be able to play play for a program like Georgetown?
It's a blessing, and that goes on both ends. Basketball speaks for itself, but I mean, in May, God willing, I'll be getting my degree. So I mean, it's the best of both worlds. So it's really a blessing for me going to Georgetown.
During the course of the off season, was there anything that you worked on that you could bring into this year? Is there any, like, are you going to add a new element to your game, or did you just work on what you've been bringing to the court to begin with? Or?
I think that this year, a lot of people will be able to see a lot of stuff they weren't able to see from me the past couple of years. I think being a senior, it was all about being patient. So I think this year people would be able to see me on the ball more this year and just in the game and making more plays and different stuff like that. So,
with the incoming freshman class, I guess if they ever look to you for advice or just how to adapt to life at Georgetown, are you willing to take them in and just say
For sure. One of the things Coach stressed on me was he needs me to be a leader this year. So I try to be a help to the young guys as much as possible, whether it's just regular stuff, social life, and on the court stuff. So, yeah.
How do you take all the experiences that you've had and bring it to winning some games and leading this team to competitive basketball?
I mean, I played a lot of good teams. I played a lot of good players while I've been here at Georgetown. So I know what it's like to play at some of the best places, and I know what it's like to compete against some of the best players. So all those games and all those tough teams that we played against in the past is just a build-up coming in the senior year. So I mean, I learned a lot. I know a lot now. I've matured. So yeah.
That's pretty good.
And any message to the fans at home to get them to come on out and catch the team in person?
Yeah, for sure. We're expected to do big things this year. We got high expectations, and we're going to compete and we're going to go as hard as possible. So they definitely should come out.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.